have a perfect vacation. Even on honeymoon.
Lo siento, pero no practicar con mi diccionario es en la escuela. But let me tell you, Kanabis is my favorite artist.
Hi, welcome to Kanabis Selfi TV. Prop up your business. Everything fully up right now. We are watch. Alright now, so as you see here, I am live at Doctor's Cave, the Doctor's Cave beach on the Ibs Strip in Mobile, Western Jamaica. Right now, this is a tourist zone, tourist beach, one of the main beach where all tourists go. You know what I mean? Anytime they come to Jamaica, in Mobile, Jamaica. And right now today I one of the ship days. So as you see, look on the cruise ship out there. So we have the cruise ship.
Selfie TV.
Alright, so as you see, that's some of the tourists and they are having a good time right now in Western Jamaica. You know what I mean? You know, more I saw one of my chill spots here, you know, when I have nothing to do. You know, they reach like in the evening. And the first me I fall over here so early still. Because you know, like in the evening, we normally forward on the beach kind of quiet, everybody kind of gone. Me and my Empress or me and my Chalice or me and my Selfie TV and go and run to selfie or just go and hold a real bets and have a real peace of mind. You know what I mean? I'm not telling a lie still. Today is a very wonderful day, a cool day, even though it kind of mix and blend in with the sun. It's all about, I'm enjoying the aspect of nature right now. Cool sea breeze, the birds, fishes, people, wonderful people, you know what I mean, Jamaican, because we say out of many one people, so you know, we have a mix of Jamaican, we have some American, we have people from Guadeloupe, France, you know what I mean, in Europe, same way, even the helicopter, same way, China, Japan, all of them places.
Selfi TV.
Yo, this is Kanabis. I'm Danelle. We're with Selfi TV. Yo, check it out.
You mean we up and stay first time in Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
Second time?
Second time.
Alright, tell the world where you come. Where in the world you live?
From Trinidad, live in the US.
Yeah.
Come here to check out the carnival and come here to cool down.
Yeah.
I'm here with Kanabis. I'm
Yeah.
just chilling in Montego Bay.
Right.
Taking in some scenes. That'd be good.
Yeah. Alright, so we're doing some series that we are watch. Selfi TV.
Yep, Selfi TV. Check it out.
Kanabis Selfi TV.
Big up.
Yeah.
Big up Kanabis Selfi TV.
Alright, we up. You know, that's it. Alright, so tell the world where your name.
My name is Hiram, coming out of Boston, Massachusetts.
Alright. First time in Jamaica?
First time over here. I'm loving it. Love the Jamaican people.
For real, how you mean?
Oh, Chantel from Montego Bay.
Yeah.
Big up.
How you mean? We up. Selfi TV. We are watching. Cheers. Bless. Alright, perfect. We are watching Kanabis Selfi TV. It is fully up, fully live, you know what I mean? We are celebrate some of the sea breeze, get some of the tourist industry, some of the tourist energy, tourist vibes and everything and all of that. So stay tuned on Kanabis Selfi TV. We are watching.
Don't know beauty though. Big up Kanabis. Stay tuned on Kanabis Selfi TV. Oh.
Don't be scared. The drone won't cut off your head.
Jay, you get me?
Yeah.
Jay.
So me I tell the youths them same way in a Mobile and all over Jamaica. As a matter of fact, the whole world. You see this bugger crime and violence thing? Please stop it. Cut it out. You know what I mean? We have a beautiful country, we have a beautiful life. You know what I mean? We're not disabled, we have the ability to do anything we want as long as we have the breath of life. You know what I mean? So, cut out the bag of negative thinking, no war, no violence, you know what I mean? Don't spoil the beauty of Jamaica because Jamaica is very beautiful and you can't spoil them thing there. You know what I mean? we they also enjoy the aspect of nature. You know what I mean? I am surrounded by various nations right now. People from many nations. When I say many nations, I talk about people from Japan, China, USA, Germany, France. You know what I mean? Them places, Brazil, check the beach, whole heap of people, England, Europe side, the continent, even African they are same way, Jamaican they are same way, white people and black people they are same way. You know what I mean? So people, you know, to unite, you know what I mean? Cut out the bag of war and violence and the bag of bad mind. You see them bad mind energy there? Them now go work, you have to go cut them out. You have a beautiful world. So let's share the beauty, our culture, and we are watch Selfi TV in Jamaica. Selfi TV, me not tell no lie. Filming the whole selfie and them something there is an absolute blast. You know what I mean? And plus, you know, style by the way, we got them on Kanabis Selfi TV. Remember, see how we are watch. Right now, everybody a look out. Everybody a look on the sea. Everybody a enjoy the sea breeze. Everybody a check in. Everybody a check out. Everybody a do them own a thing. Selfi TV, how we are watch. Stay tuned.
Looking for a place to have a perfect vacation. I